Yo guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to be going over on how you guys can go ahead and make money from your phone. And yes guys, this is a real tutorial. I'm not going to be going over any dumb methods that don't work or some complicated side hustle that is completely boring and no one cares enough to do. These are going to be legitimate working methods that you guys can do in 2024. But real quick before I do get into any of that, I would like to mention I'm currently giving away $100 to 5 people that watch this entire video without any skipping at all. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel with all notifications enabled. Go ahead and drop a like on this video, share it with 5 more people, and comment your Cash App username 10 times down below. And make sure you guys do all those steps because I am checking, and if you guys do not do all of them, you will not be entered. But guys, I'm not going to waste your time. We're just going to get right into how you guys can go ahead and make money online with your phone, and it's super duper simple. So guys, the first thing you want to go ahead and do is you guys will find this link in the pinned comment. This will not be in the description. This will be in the pinned comment, and you guys have to go from here. I'll show you guys. If I switch it to this, it's not this link. You don't want to go to that link. You want to go to bit.ly/SHDW and then cash. This will be in the pinned comment, guys, and it'll take you to this link. What you guys want to go and do is you guys want to click on yes, and then you guys want to click on keep it or whatever. Just click on answer those questions accurately, and then it's going to ask for you to sign up, and all you guys have to go and do is simply sign up as it does say so. So put in your email, guys. I'll get right back after I put in mine, and make sure this information is correct because this is where it's going to deliver a $750 Cash App gift card to if you guys do win, which you guys can increase your chances or even guarantee yourself at winning without any cost. I know it's like kind of scammy, but it's not got like any bank account or any credit card. I'll get right back to you guys after I've entered my email. Now, once you guys go ahead and do that, it's simply just going to ask for some basic shipping information. And this is just so it can ship it out to you if you do win. No bank account or credit card, like I already mentioned. You don't need to use any of that stuff because that will make it like an actual scam. Because obviously this isn't charging you. These are free methods, and you guys can do all this stuff on your phone. Obviously, the second method though will also work too. And what you guys want to go ahead and do is you guys simply just have to fill out these basics. So you want to put in your name, and so I'm going to fill out all this stuff. And then after I get through this, there's one more step which is super duper simple, and so I'll come back to you guys after I get through this all. Now, once you guys have gone ahead and filled that out, you simply just want to go to it's going to say survey. Just click on skip the survey because who cares to do that, and then it'll take you to this page. Once you're on this one, it says you are done and you guys have completed everything that you guys can do, and if you win, it will notify you. But now guys, let's go over to the second method and how you guys can make money on your phone, and this one will be in the description. The first one's in the pinned comment and in the pinned comment only. The second one will be in the description and the description only. So go to that link, guys, and I'll cut right back to you guys once I am there, because it's simple. It's on mobile only, so I'm going to show you guys how you can do it. So I'm going to pop up a screen recording in 1 second. Just give me a minute to get on my phone. But it's very, very simple, guys. Actually, I'll just record it later and show you guys what it does look like. But basically, it's going to be an offer wall. And if you guys are on the offer wall, I will put it up here, I think. I don't know. I know it looks kind of stupid. Either here or here, I don't know. But I'm going to put the offer wall up. And it's just basically a bunch of tasks you guys can complete to get money. And like they're all free that you guys can do. Like, for example, you have to like play a game and reach a certain level in it, which you guys can do for free. There's so many different tasks you guys can do, and after you complete a task, you do get paid out a significant amount for each one of them. You guys can sort by the ones that pay the highest, the ones that pay the lowest, or just the ones that are the easiest or whatever. They don't cost any money to do, and you can do them all on your phone. So hopefully you guys can see them on the side of the screen right now, just so you guys can see what they're like. They're extremely basic, and all you guys have to do is, for most of them, is just install an app or sign up for something. Again, some of them, all you have to do, you might need a credit card to do some of them, not like just register for a free trial, but most of them you guys can do for completely free, and then you will get the rewards of whatever it does say for that specific app, where you either install or just play a game or sign up, whatever the case might be. And so you guys can make money that way on your phone. And those are 2 really good methods, guys, although I'm going to go over one more method just in case you guys are interested, which this one is a little bit different. And all you guys have to do for this one is you guys simply just have to go over to Twitter. And I'm not going to show this right now because I'm currently fixing something on my PC, but what you guys want to do is you want to go over to Twitter for this one, and you guys want to search up Cash App giveaways, and or just PayPal giveaways, whatever, and you guys can just go through and enter into as many of them as you could possibly want to enter into. And so those are the 3 methods I did go over in this video. The first method is probably the best one. Go to the pinned comment, guys, because that's what it will be. And you guys simply just have to open that in a new browser location, answer the 3 questions, put in your email, then enter in accurate shipping information. I know it looks kind of scammy, but it's not going to actually any bank account or credit card. I won't say that again, I promise. But then the second method is to do the off-wall stuff, which I also recommend doing after you do the first one. Will be in the description, and you guys need just to open it and just go through and complete all the different tasks. And apart from that, guys, those are the 2 main methods. But if you guys want a third one, this one isn't guaranteed like the other 2, but if you want a third one, you can go over to Twitter and you guys can search up for cash giveaways, Cash App giveaways, PayPal giveaways, whatever you guys are interested in. Now guys, something I did almost forget to mention is make sure when you guys are searching for giveaways, you make sure they are actually legitimate, because there are going to be tons and tons of fake giveaways on Twitter and other social media platforms. And so don't only do giveaways that require you doing steps on the social media platform itself, such as liking or retweeting a tweet and commenting your Cash App. Don't do ones that are external, like involve links outside of the social media platform, because lots of those can be very scammy. And so that's my advice when going ahead and entering in the giveaways, although I highly recommend doing the other 2 methods I went over in this video first, and just doing my giveaway too. And you guys can go ahead and enter into as many of them as you possibly want. And so those are the 3 methods on how you guys can go ahead and actually get free Cash App or just money in general from your phone without having to start up any crazy side hustle or anything. And those are the methods I recommend and do work the best. So thank you guys for watching this video all the way until the end. I do greatly appreciate it, because I know most of you guys probably either are skipping this video around, or you guys just don't care to watch the entire video. So if you guys made this to this point, thank you. And like I already mentioned at the start of this video, I'm giving away $100 to 5 people that go in and watch this entire video without any skipping, which make this far, you're really, really close. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel with all notifications enabled. Go ahead and drop a like on this video, share it with 5 more people, and comment your Cash App username 10 times down below. Like I already mentioned, I am going to be checking just to make sure that everyone that does go ahead and enter is fully legitimate. And that's literally about it to the video, guys. If you do need help with any of these methods, do leave a comment down below, because I can help you with them. Like I already mentioned, the Cash App one is probably the #1 thing, because you guys can get $750 for free on a gift card, which is unbelievable. So go do it while you can, because it's not going to ask like any bank account or credit card. I said it again, I'm sorry. But the second one is the off-wall. That'll be in the description, guys. And which is just simply completing tasks on your phone. And the third and final one, guys, is simply just going ahead and going to Twitter. You guys might be able to do it on other social media platforms, who knows, and signing up for as much giveaways as you possibly can. And if you really want a 4th one, guys, the giveaway works too, I guess, but that you're not guaranteed to make any money through that. You're guaranteed to make money through the pinned comment and the link in the description. And so go ahead and do those methods now. Thank you guys all for watching up until the end of this video. I'll stop dragging it out now. I'm going to end it off here. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys all inside the next video, hopefully. Thanks and goodbye.